Do you get bored talking to the same like student every day?
Um,
To be honest.
can I be honest? I don't know. Honestly, no. Hello.
Hi, Becca.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Excellent. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I actually have a really bad excuse. I was eating,
No worries. Actually, you are on
taking
time.
a little snack. Just a couple minutes off, but all right. We'll say I'm on time. So what's going on today? How was your day?
My day was great actually because
Good.
I have a YouTube channel,
Mm,
and when I started to why I forgot. When I started on Cambly, participating on Cambly, like
yeah.
practicing and speaking English, I was planning just like to share my thoughts about not speaking English in a specific. Just I need American people, okay, in a specific, to speak with them and to share with them about like my thoughts about like the bands, about the movies,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
like what's your favorite actor, what's your favorite actress or movie, what's your favorite band,
Yeah. Yeah.
and suddenly I found myself, wow, I have a YouTube channel, and then like I started to make like friends, like
Yes.
international friends,
Yes.
and actually I wasn't planning to reach like this level like YouTube channel, and
Yeah.
when you have like YouTube channel, you have audience and you have like people waiting your videos and
Yes.
care about you.
Yes.
And just like 2 days ago, I got like offers from companies, okay, which is like I
Stop. That's so good. Oh my gosh.
yeah, and I made like my first advertisement for that company.
Oh my
So I
gosh. That's so
so
good. And
it's
did
very good.
this company, they discovered you from your channel?
Exactly, yeah, and
I
they
love it.
emailed me.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
they
love it.
emailed me, and just like yesterday. So yesterday and today, I was trying to make like this video, and actually today I completed the video, and when I complete this video and I sent to them the video,
Mhm.
I just took like a second to think, wow, I just made like an advertisement in English. Wow.
I'm so
I'm proud
proud
of
of you.
myself.
I'm proud of you. That's
Thank you so much.
wonderful. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
When you started your YouTube, you were not thinking that it would like go anywhere or take you to like different places like this. You were just doing it for kind of fun, like as a
For
side.
fun.
hmm
Yeah. Yeah,
I
for
love
fun.
it. I love it. I'm so excited for you. That's wonderful. Wow.
It's all happened. Yeah, it's all happened
Yes.
like suddenly, and a year and a half ago, I became like a Cambly ambassador.
hmm
So yeah, because Cambly, maybe like Cambly, it's not viral here in my country in Iraq.
Right.
So
Right.
I started to like post my videos, and so many people have participated on Cambly,
Yes.
to know about Cambly,
Yeah.
about everything.
Yeah.
And some Iraqi people, they keep asking me about. We need to talk with Rebecca. Why you always talk with Rebecca and we cannot talk? I this is not this is, like I
Not
cannot like
fair.
manage that.
Yes. Oh my goodness. I love that so much though. That's wonderful.
Yeah,
I love that.
yeah,
I
yeah. I
actually
really wanted to share this with you.
I am so happy for you and I love that. And I will
Thank you.
yesterday I was just sitting on my computer. I was just
Yeah,
available for different people to call me if they wanted. And this one woman, she calls me
yeah.
and her English is like perfect and I'm like,
Okay.
who am I talking to? Like, who is this? And she
Yeah.
introduces herself and she tells me I am the social media manager for Cambly Brazil and Cambly Global.
Wow.
She's like the social media person. And
Yeah.
I was like, oh hi, like how's it going? So we actually talked for like 30 or 40 minutes and she was so nice. She just wanted to like get to know different tutors, but she was so sweet. But after I talked to her, I was like, wow, that's really cool. And I went and looked at Cambly Global and Cambly Brazil, and I was like, it's really awesome that I mean, obviously they have to have these employees for them, but I think I forget that there's actually like employees working for Cambly more than the tutors. I forget
Yeah,
about this. I forget about it
yeah,
because we
yeah.
don't have
You thought Cambly it's all about like students and tutors,
little
and
bubble. Yep.
yeah, you don't know like about like the backstage, like
Right.
all these like
Yes.
the marketing people,
Yes.
all it's like it's a
So
company.
much. It's a big company. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just totally forgot about it. So I thought it was cool to talk to her, and she gave me these two little dialogues, I guess, to read, and they were like, do you want to learn English? Subscribe to blah blah blah. And they were like advertisements basically. And I was so awkward. Oh my gosh. Trying to
Uh-huh.
read this, I was like, I sound so weird. This is not natural. But she was like, well, you just read these so I can like take them and put them on Instagram. And so I tried to do it, but I think it was kind of awkward. So I don't know if they will go anywhere, but
Yeah,
oh well.
maybe because you weren't like prepared for this, right?
To be honest, no, I wasn't
Yeah,
prepared. My
yeah.
hair was like dirty, wasn't looking good, and I was like, oh my gosh, no, not prepared. I was not.
Well,
But
so like you are a super tourist, so people like know you and know your teaching style. So they
yeah,
already they will say like, "Oh, Rebecca here on Cambly."
hey, I'm back. Yeah, yes, yes, it's true.
Yeah, I have a question for like a Cambly profile tutor. I'm curious. Like my curiosity like kills me actually.
Yes.
So I want to ask you about like the priority hours. I used to hear from my tutors like I have finished my priority hours.
Mm-hmm,
So what
mm-hmm.
does it mean like priority hours?
Um, I actually love the priority hours. I think they're really fun because
Mm-hmm.
a lot of students will have like a few extra minutes, maybe 12 minutes or
Okay.
maybe like 33 minutes. They have like a
Yeah.
random amount of minutes. And
Yeah.
instead of scheduling a class with a teacher, they will just go to see who is online and they'll call.
Uh-huh.
So when you're on a priority hour, Cambly will put you all the way at the top of all of the teachers. Cambly puts you at the top. So you are the first teacher that um, the students can see when they get online. So when you are in a priority hour, you have to answer every single call that you get
Okay.
from students. And if you don't answer the call, then the priority hour will go away. But priority hours are cool because you can either teach, if you get a call from a student,
Okay.
or maybe it's slow and there's not too many students online, but you still get paid for this hour, even if you don't teach anyone. If you're here online waiting for students, you still get paid for a part of the whole hour for just being online. So, but you have to complete the whole hour. You have to stay online for the hour, talk to students if they call you. And it's really fun because you can have like 10 or 15 students in 1 hour, just a few minutes with each student. I think that's kind of fun because you see a ton of different people.
So if you if you are like a new tutor and you
Mm-hmm.
want like to start like teaching on Cambly,
Mm-hmm.
but you don't like to meet like random people. You like to meet like specific people.
Mm.
So you have you. I think you have to like go with the priority hours first.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, yes. When you're starting, people don't know you, and so they probably aren't going to schedule with you. So the
Yeah.
priority hours are really cool because it gives a chance for students to meet you. But at the same time, like you said, they're random people. You don't know who they are. You probably never
Yeah.
spoke to them before. So it can be a little weird. Personally, I love talking to people for the first time because I think it's the easiest because you can ask all the basic questions, you can get to know them. I think it's more difficult the more classes you have with one person
Yeah.
because you learn everything about them, and then you have to talk about new things and different things. And
Exactly. Yeah.
that's what I think is hard. So I actually really like talking to new random people because it's like I start over, from the beginning
Yeah.
every
You
time.
you'll make new friends. Yeah, and new stories.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I
So,
like that. I think that's really cool.
yeah. Speaking about like new friends or maybe new students, do you
Mm.
get bored talking to the same like student every day?
Um,
To be honest.
can I be honest? I don't know. Honestly, no, I don't get bored. Of course, there are people who I just, for some reason, like conversation is just really easy, and we always
Yeah.
have something to say, and
Yeah.
we always have good questions to ask and good things to talk about. And then there's some people who are like, and that's hard for me because I want to have someone who will participate with me because I'm I'm good at leading the class when I need to,
Yeah.
but it's sometimes hard
I know that.
when people don't participate also. But that is a very small number of people. Most people are really excited and really awesome to talk to and everything. So, I'm not gonna say I get bored.